So today we're going to be talking all about tracking your sleep. I've already done a video on why sleep is important, but I will leave them in various places throughout the video for you to know, but it does affect your mood, it affects your thinking, it affects your body, it affects so many things about you that it's kind of ridiculous, but sleep is super important. So if you're wanting to kind of say, okay, all right, now that I know it's important, what can I do about it? Well, today I'm going to be showing you 3 easy ways. Plus, I have a free printable as well down in the description box below that you can get that can help you get on your way to understanding your sleep. Before you can say, okay, well, I want to get more sleep, you have to first realize and understand how much sleep you're getting right now and kind of see, how was I feeling that day, for you to see what's kind of your right number. The right number of sleep that I might need might not be the same for you. So that's why awareness is key. And we're going to get started with that right now. Now, if this is your first time finding this video and you like this content or like mental health videos, then definitely subscribe. Become a part of the Undefined Therapy community. I post videos 2 to 3 times a week. So definitely consider joining right now. So I'm going to take you down below for us to look at these 3 ways that you can track your sleep right now. And the supplies, you'll need any type of paper, a ruler, and some writing utensils. Different colors make it look a little fancy. Option number 1. As you can see, I'm going to be starting off with the title. I found this on Pinterest and I just copied what I saw, but this is going to be the title, my June sleep tracker. And I'm going to just be setting up my graph. The vertical is going to be the hours and the horizontal is going to be the number of days in the month. And now I'm just plotting the hours. For you guys, you'll be doing it daily or you can do it weekly, however you want. But I waited until kind of near the end of the month for me so I can give you guys a good look at how my actual sleep was. And there you have it. This is my line graph for my sleep tracker for the month of June. Option number 2, and for this one to save time, I've already done the graph for you guys, but this one's going to be bar style. I'm just plotting the same amount of hours of sleep, but you'll get to see a different variation. Some people really like line graphs, some people like bar graphs, but I wanted to give you 2 options using the graph format that's really easy. You can do it on any scraps of paper, anywhere you can, and just plot out your sleep to see what may be going on, how much sleep you're going, and if you can improve on it anywhere. So here are the 2 types. Option number 1, as I said, is a line graph, days, hours, and lined. And option number 2 is a bar graph, still the amount of hours, still the days, and it's plotted out for you guys to see how much sleep I was actually getting. Option number 3. Now here's where this printable comes into play for you guys, that it can be downloaded in the description box below, but it's easy setup. So if you're not into graphs and you just like something that you can print out and use, this one's for you. I'm writing the month. As you see, you go down, those are the days of the week, and then you have the hours, AM, PM, and you get to track your sleep right there. I chose to use bubble because when I did the highlight, it kind of messed with my eyes. But if you're a person who likes highlighter, then use highlighter. But as you can see, I'm just circling and following the same amount of hours that I did for the month of June. It's just tracking it a different way. And there you have it. That is me tracking my sleep with this printable for you guys right here. So that was 3 ways that you could track your sleep. I hope it was super helpful for you. I hope it gets you started on your healthy journey to understanding yourself and how important sleep is. So if you like these type of videos, definitely before you click on out of this video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to come back for more content. Don't forget to share, like this video. As I said, I do post 2 to 3 times a week. So you'll see a new video soon. I'll check you out next time.